Hey tech enthusiasts, today's big spotlight shines on none other than MicroStrategy. And oh boy, their news is hotter than a ghost pepper. Let's break down why MicroStrategy is grabbing all the headlines. So first up, let's talk about the market whales making waves with their recent bets on MicroStrategy options. Yeah, we're talking deep-pocketed investors throwing some serious cash into both puts and calls. For all you non-traders out there, these are basically high-stakes bets on whether MicroStrategy's stock will skyrocket or take a nosedive. According to Benzinga, there's been an extraordinary surge in options activities, 42 activities to be exact, which is pretty outlandish for one company in a single day. Investors are eyeing a possible price range between $650 and a wild $3,800. Talk about a swing. It's like trying to predict what Elon Musk will tweet next. Now, the general mood here is a mixed bag, 50% bullish, 35% bearish. It's safe to say these whales are throwing everything but the kitchen sink at MicroStrategy. In pure numbers, the calls sum up to $2,133,088, while puts total $626,520. Whether you're checking open interest or trading volume, keeping an eye on these indicators will help you understand how liquid and in-demand MicroStrategy's options are. And speaking of demand, let's pivot over to the juicy news involving spicy ETFs. The T-Rex Group has filed for some sensational ETFs that could take your investment ride from a tepid stroll to a wild roller coaster. Think 2x long and 2x short performance on MicroStrategy stock. The stock is volatile already due to its massive Bitcoin purchase strategy. Imagine what could happen when you double that. Absolutely electrifying. Senior Bloomberg ETF analyst Eric Balchunas hilariously dubbed these ETFs the ghost pepper of ETF hot sauce. He even tweeted they're bound to be the most volatile ETFs ever seen in the US market. This metaphor is mouth-burning, and for good reason. MicroStrategy leverages debt and equity to buy tons of Bitcoin. Sorry, I mean literal tons. And that makes these ETFs highly unpredictable. To spice things up even more, MicroStrategy recently announced plans to issue $700 million worth of unsecured senior convertible notes to buy, you guessed it, more Bitcoin. Right now, they're holding a whopping 226,331 BTC, valuing around $13.8 billion. Let's not ignore that MicroStrategy stock is up 109% this year, powered by approval of spot Bitcoin ETFs. Investors have essentially turned the company into a go-to proxy for Bitcoin exposure. And it's not just them. Other companies have been raiding the Bitcoin treasury for similar gains. So there you have it, folks. Whether it's whales making big bets or T-Rex fueling the spiciest ETFs in history, MicroStrategy is the buzzword of the hour. Keep your eyes peeled because this show is only getting started. Thanks for watching to the end. Remember, this is just one story from our full daily show, which includes all the other news and an analysis of the day's tech market activity. If you found this video interesting or insightful, then please like, subscribe, and share it with others. Your support is greatly appreciated. Catch you later.